In this video, we will guide you on the standard procedure to safely clean the FANUC CNC system fan, ensuring proper cooling, preventing overheating, and maintaining optimal machine performance. Tools required are clean cloth, brush, and Allen key. Before starting, make sure you switch off the main electrical supply to the machine. Never use wet clothes or water around electrical components. Let's open the FANUC MOP panel door with Allen key to access the machine's main CPU unit. Locate the system fan, usually positioned at the back of the FANUC display unit, and carefully remove it by pressing its clips. Now use the soft brush to remove dust from the fan blade. And if required, clean it with a clean cloth. Spin the fan blades by hand to check for smooth movement. If any bearing issues, then replace the fan. Securely place the cleaned fan back into its position. Now do the same with the other fan. Make sure to handle it gently to avoid any damages. Don't use compressed air for cleaning. Once the FANUC fan is cleaned, close the control door, switch on the machine power and observe the fan operation. Listen carefully for any unusual noise or vibrations. This may indicate fan imbalance or loose mounting. Regular cleaning of your FANUC system fan keeps your CNC machine running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.